follow up with last week's video on how to make the paper mache paste with flour, I wanted to show you guys how to make the paper mache paste recipe with glue. So if you want to see this week's tutorial, keep on watching. Hey guys, so this week we're going to be looking at the paper mache paste recipe with glue. Now what I did was I did create a paste with the Elmer's white glue, and with this one I put salt inside of it. For the next one I'm going to create a paste with the wood glue. Now I did try it with salt, and salt makes it grindy and clumped together. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt with flour, and we're going to see how that works. So I've cut down the recipe a lot just because I don't have the project completed that I needed to assemble it, and I also want to house this to see how long it's going to last for. So we'll revisit both of these. So if you're going to try it, put it in an airtight container, so you're able to preserve your paste. Now I did cut it down, so what we're going to use 1/4 cup of the wood glue. And if you're going to try it, check out different glues. So I wrote down the name of the glue that I'm using now so that I know. So it's 1/4 cup of the wood glue. To be one of the first to watch my videos, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my videos every Tuesday. Now we're going to use 2 tablespoons of water, but I'm going to put my water in here so I'm able to dissolve the glue. So what I want to do is just try and use up and release the glue that's here. I don't want to put this down my sink, so I'm just trying to loosen up all the glues. Quarter teaspoon of flour. You need a whisk. I did that really wrong. Treat it like if you're baking. But I didn't buy a whisk from the dollar store, so I don't have one. So guys, so here you have it, and I was able to kind of make sure that the flour lumps were all gone. But here are the two, and literally at this point in time there's no difference. Elmer's glue was able to take the salt better, and the wood glue was able to take the flours better, and both of them are from Elmer's glue. If you wanted to tag me on any of your creative projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have my Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the paper mache paste recipe with glue, you can check out this video next on different projects that you can use the paper mache paste with. If you like this week's video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends.